You will love this black 2009 GMC. This vehicle is powered by a gas ethanol V8 6.2L/378 engine with an automatic transmission and AWD. We priced this GMC Sierra 1500 to sell quickly. You will find that this vehicle is loaded with options like 4-18x 845.7 cm x 20.3 cm polished aluminum spare tire and wheel will be standard 1743.2 cm. Wheels, Blackwall P265/65 R18 all-season tires, a 17x 7.5 43.2 cm x 19.1 cm steel spare wheel, a spare P265/70 R17 Blackwall includes steel wheel located at rear underbody of vehicle tire, a lockable outside spare winch type mounted underframe at rear tire carrier, a spare tire lock keyed cylinder lock that utilizes same key as ignition and door, a step style with pad rear painted bumper, a color keyed air dam. Body colored moldings are deleted if any seal paint is ordered. Body side moldings and chrome body side moldings. What are you waiting for? Come in for a test drive today. Be an informed buyer when making this purchase and review the Carfax history report now for free. Feel the power. With the 8-cylinder engine, you'll have an adrenaline rush when you start up the engine. Deals like this are far and few. Act now and call us today.